cookies. School. Let me show you around my school. Oh, there is school van. School van. School van. This is my school. There are many classrooms. Classroom. Science room. Science room. Art room. Art room. Library. Library. Playground. Playground. This is our classroom. There are blackboard. Blackboard. Chalk. Chalk. Chair and desk. Chair and desk. Calendar. Calendar. Teacher. Teacher. Students. Students. Classmates. Classmates. School subject. What subject are studied in classroom? What is your favorite subject? English. English is my favorite subject. English. Math. Math. History. History. Computer. Computer. Geography. Geography. Science. Science. School supplies. In your backpack. Pencil and pen. Ruler and sharpener. Ruler and sharpener. Copies and books. Gumstick and pencil case. Scissor and color pencil.